Hey guys, in this video I want to make a short review about the Algobit trading platform. Maybe you're familiar with it, maybe you're not. It's not going to be a classical review where I'm going to tell you how great it is, but it's a review where I'm going to tell you how you should use it. I'm a binary options trader myself. I've been trading for more than a year now. More or less I'm trading based on the technical analysis, which means I'm following the stock market charts and I make my trades based on the predictions, based on the indicators and so on. But I want to tell you about the Algobit because I was trading on the other platforms. I'm also trading on the OptionBit platform, and Algobit is a system that is based on the OptionBit platform, and it's very good for beginners because you don't have to know anything about trading to be able to make some profit, which means you don't have to know advanced technical analysis or stock market trends and stuff like this. The main advantage of Algobit is that you can trade. If you click here, you can receive the signals for the trades. As you can see here, if I click, let's say I'm getting the Microsoft stock, I'm getting a signal that it should go up, and I see the chart is pretty much low. The price was falling down, there were some spikes, and I like to enter the trades according to the signals if it's a position like this. So let me show you a few tricks how you can use this system. So here you see I have a 5-minute expiry, and one of the things is, let's say, as you can see here on my account, there is a 6,058 euro balance. So I make my initial trade, maybe 50 euro, and I'm going to go with the signal. I'm going to trade up, and just going to confirm my trade. And let's see some other signals that I'm getting. So ExxonMobil should go down, but I see it's pretty much somehow on this level here. I'm not sure if I should take this trade. So let's see what's about Google. Google should go up according to the signal, so I'm making a 50 euro trade here to go up. Just confirm this, and I will show you how you can secure your trades. Basically I use two different systems, and with stocks it's basically doubling up the losing trades, and with forex pairs, let me see, we have one here, so I'll show you here the good example. So look at this, I'm going to trade pound dollar. Suggestion is to go down. I'm going to enter 100 euro here, and for the pound dollar to go down. And let me see, euro dollar, okay, it's a spike up, so I'll trade 5-minute and also 100 euro to go down. So I already have 4 trades open. I don't want to have more than 4 trades because I like to follow my open trades, and I'll show you why. So I'll show you two different systems. Let us see the Microsoft. I traded up here, but I see the chart is quite low. It's below my entry position. The same is what's happening with Google. So just going to show you what I mean. Let's just wait a little bit. So you can see Microsoft is now falling down, and there's 3 minutes until the, I'm now on Google. Yeah, the Google is falling down. So I'm back here on the, now I'm on the manual trading, and I'm going to double up my trade with Google. So I'm going to select up. My first investment was $50, and now I'm going to invest $100 into Google to go up. So I'm basically doubling up my trade. Let us see what's happening with Microsoft. It's just on the level where I entered, so I don't want to double up this trade. I'm just going to wait this one. And as you see here, my first position on Google was here with $50, and the second is here with $100, and I still have the option to invest $200 if the chart will go even lower. But I want to show you another thing. So Let's see what's happening with the euro dollar here. So it's not important if right now all these trades are in red, which means if they would close now I would lose my trade. It's just important what color it is when the timer runs out, so it should be green color when the trade closes. So let me show you a trick with euro dollar. Now it's 2 minutes and 50 seconds until this trade closes. So let us open here on the currencies. I'm now on the manual trading. I'm going to open euro dollar and I'll show you a trick. I choose 2-minute expiry, and now I will select to go up, and here I invested 100 euros, so I'm going to invest the same amount to go up, and I'm going to wait until there is 2 minutes before this trade closes. So I'm basically trading on the same currency. The first trade is down, the second trade is up, so I'm just going to wait a little bit more. I think I can enter my trade here. It's 8 seconds, 7, 5. Okay, so I entered my trade on euro dollar to go up. So let us see what this means. Okay, I have another opportunity on pound dollar because now I'm in green, and on pound dollar I should select 1 minute expiry since I have only 1 minute until the trade expires. Now I see there was a spike down and spike up. There was a big drop down. I should enter here, but I was a little bit too late for this. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let us see Microsoft. I have to double up this trade. So my first investment was 50, and now I'm going to invest 100, and I'm going to trade up. And let us see what's happening here. Look at the Google. My first position is closing in 13 seconds. So yeah, it went up. Maybe this will be a good trade. So maybe I even get the first trade and also the second trade. That would be perfect. Yes, I made the first trade. So let's see the pound dollar. This is going to end in 20 seconds. Maybe this is going to be a successful trade. So I want to show you basically this, what I did on the euro dollar. As if you remember, I invested here. I invested 100 euro to go down, and you see this trade is a winning trade, but I secured my trade. Even if it would go up, I secured it with the second position with a 2 minutes expiry to go up, but this second trade won't be successful. So I will just have a small loss with these two trades, and if both the trades would be successful, I would get the double return back. So this is basically the system that I wanted to explain to you. Maybe this is not so clear now, and I'll try to make another one if I get an opportunity. So let us just get some fresh signals. So let's see what's happening with the Microsoft. I have this open. As you remember, I doubled up my trade. I entered here. My first trade that I entered was somewhere around here, so I lost that trade. I doubled up, and now it looks like it's going to be a winning trade. And if you remember what happened with Google, I entered my first trade here to go up. It went down a little bit. I doubled up my trade, but already the first trade was successful, and now I'm getting a second successful trade where I doubled up my money, so it's going to be even more profit. And Microsoft is still looking good. So let us get some fresh signals. So Apple signaling to go down. My first investment is 50 euro, so I'm going to confirm this. So now the box should appear here showing my entry position and my trade. It's right here. So I entered Apple to go down here. I'm going to follow this trade. Let us just get some fresh signals. Microsoft to go down, ExxonMobil, Google, Apple I already have open. I'm not trading this because I see it's a downtrend. Maybe it will reverse, but basically I don't want to enter on the downtrend, which is quite strong. I like to enter when there are some kind of spikes, and I like to find the highest and the lowest positions to enter the trades. So let us get some fresh signals. So let me just check my open trades. See Microsoft here. This is going to be a successful trade. I think it's 28 minutes until it closes, but the price is quite high. So let us see the Apple. This is 3 minutes until expiry, and I see the price is right now falling. So I'll see, maybe I need to double up this, or maybe I don't need it. Maybe I even don't need to double up. So let's just get some fresh signals. So what I wanted to explain, the best way to test these systems and to test Algobit is just to register, and registration is free, so you don't have to worry that you're going to lose money, because you don't need to invest. You can just check out the system, you can see if it works for you, and if you decide to trade, then you can invest some money, you can take some profit, and if you think this is not for you, then you don't need to trade. So I'm just going to try to make some more trades just to show you how the system works, and I hope you understood this idea of doubling up the trades. So let me explain again. Let's say here on Apple I entered my first trade here with 50 euro. If the price would go up, I would enter my trade here with 100 euro. If it will still go up, I would enter my trade even higher with 200 euro. And this I mean, I can do this since I have enough money on my balance, on my account. But if you would have let's say only $200, then you can use this system by investing maybe $5 and then $10 and then $20. I hope this is clear. The other thing is securing the trade with another trade. So let me just try to explain you this on the chart. So if I'm trading currencies, I have the option to select the expiry times at 5, 2 and 1 minutes. So the first option I enter is 5-minute expiry. Let's say I trade it down, the chart goes down up to here, and it's 2 minutes until the expiry, and I can trade the same currency up. So so the expiry is at the exact same time. So what this means, so one of the trades, if I traded this one to go down and I traded this one to go up with the same expiry, let's say here, then if the first trade would be unsuccessful, so if the price would go up to here and it would finish here, then the second trade would be successful. But if the price would fall down, then the first trade would be successful. So it means I would lose one trade, I would lose some percentage of my investment. But if the price would end any position in between my entry positions. So in between the position where I went down and where I went up, if the price would end here, I would get the double return on my investment. So with this type you can limit your risk and you can have the possibility for the much higher return on your investment. So basically that would be it. Maybe I can try to make some more trades. Okay, ExxonMobil signals me to go up, so I'm going to enter 50 euro here. I'm going to trade up. Google to go down, but I see it's somehow dancing in between those levels, so I'm not going to trade this one. Apple to go down, but it's already going down, so I'm not sure about this one. And these are some futures. Maybe this would be a good trade. I don't like trading futures so much, but it can be also a good opportunity to make some profit. Let's see what's happening in Microsoft. So here I'm just going to follow this trade. I'm with ExxonMobil to go up. I have 50 euro in this trade, so I'm just waiting. Again, as I say, if you find the thing interesting, the best way to learn about it, to see how it works, is to see yourself. You can register for free and test the system out. Maybe you can make some profit. So maybe I'm going to make a few more trades, and just going to fast forward this video so you don't have to wait all this time. I'm going to use this system of doubling up my trades, and we'll see what will be my end balance here, if I can make some profit. So Microsoft to go down, so I'm going with this $50 to go down. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward this and maybe I'll tell a few words on the end. Okay. Okay, as you can see, my last trade closed, so I will finish my trading for today here. As you can see, I've managed to earn around 800 euro in about 30 minutes by following this strategy. So for beginners, this is very good advice to follow this strategy. As I said, if you have a smaller initial amount, you would be investing 5, 10, maybe $20 per trade. If you want to learn more, definitely you should check it out. Open your free account and see how the system works. And eventually I will try to publish some more strategies that are maybe a little bit more advanced, because they will use the technical analysis as a basis for determining a good trades. One of the things is Algobit is a good starting point for beginner traders or for traders who haven't been trading before. And once you register with Algobit, you also have access to the OptionBit trading platform, which is a binary option trading platform. And on the OptionBit platform, you don't have the possibility to receive the signals. You are trading manually. And once you learn the basics of how the stock market charts move, when you learn the basics of the technical analysis, you will also be able to trade without the signals. So signal-based trading is a great starting point. Maybe you can stay with it. If you're going to make consistent profit, you can just stick to the signal system. But if you want to learn advanced trading, then you can also check the OptionBit platform and maybe some of the other advanced techniques. So if you decide to trade, I definitely recommend Algobit for beginners. And if you decide to trade, I wish you all best with your trading and to make a lot of profit, of course. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.